Welcome back to our channel, where we equip you with the knowledge to stay safe and prepared in any situation. Today, we're talking about one of the most critical components of survival, the bug-out bag. This bag isn't just a collection of items. It's your lifeline in emergencies. We'll explore not only what to pack, but also how to train with your bug-out bag to maximize your chances of survival. Stay tuned, because these tips could make all the difference when disaster strikes. First things first, choosing the right bag is crucial. You want something durable, comfortable, and inconspicuous. In urban settings, a bag that blends in like the 5.11 covered 18 is ideal. For wilderness environments, opt for a bag with ample storage and weather resistance, like a tactical backpack with a rain cover. Water is your most vital resource. Always have a reliable filtration system, such as the Grail Geo Press, to purify natural water sources. A single-walled stainless steel canteen is perfect for both carrying water and boiling it. When it comes to fire, redundancy is key. Carry a lighter, waterproof matches, a ferro rod, and even a magnifying lens. Practice fire starting in various conditions to ensure you're ready for anything. Your bug-out bag should contain a lightweight tarp or emergency bivvy for quick shelter setup. In colder climates, pack thermal blankets. Clothing layers are essential. Think wool socks, thermal underwear, and a durable jacket. Always include a hat and gloves, as these can help regulate body temperature and protect against hypothermia. High-calorie, non-perishable foods are your best bet for energy. Include a mix of protein bars, nuts, dried fruits, and military-grade MREs, meals ready to eat. Tools should be versatile. A quality bushcraft knife, multi-tool, small hatchet, and a silky folding saw for processing wood. Don't forget to include a fishing kit and snares, which can provide sustenance if food supplies run low. A comprehensive first aid kit is non-negotiable. Pack essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications. For more severe injuries, include a trauma kit with a tourniquet and hemostatic agents. Navigation tools are equally important. A map of your area, a compass, and a GPS device with extra batteries or a solar charger are crucial for finding your way when lost. Having the gear is only half the battle. Knowing how to use it is the other half. Conduct regular bug-out drills with your pack bag. Simulate different scenarios, like nighttime evacuations or navigating through dense woods. Learn how to use each tool and piece of equipment effectively. Building physical fitness is also essential. Practice carrying your bug-out bag over various terrains to build stamina and strength. Remember, a strong mindset can be your greatest tool in a survival situation. To recap, your bug-out bag is a critical component of your survival plan, but it's only as good as your knowledge and practice. Equip yourself with the right gear, learn to use every item, and regularly train under different conditions. Your preparedness can mean the difference between life and death in an emergency. Now it's your turn to take action. Start by assembling your own bug-out bag today, then make a plan to practice using it. Leave a comment below sharing what you've packed and any unique tips you've discovered. Together, we can build a community of preparedness and resilience. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and remember, your survival is in your hands.